Making our customers happy is our #1 priority. So when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. We work hard to deliver top quality service and value, so this kind of review lets us know that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and satisfaction. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Call us today at the number on your screen. We're never too busy to answer any questions you may have about how we can serve you.